In its latest move, RERA Karnataka imposes delay fees for late submission of updates by promoters. Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya and welcome to today's episode of Property Matters, where we will discuss Karnataka RERA circular in this regard. The Real Estate Regulatory Authority of Karnataka has levied penal charges on promoters who haven't yet submitted their quarterly update and annual audit statement.
Section 11 of the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 and Rule 15D of Karnataka RERA Rules 2017 mandates a builder or a promoter to submit the quarterly updates and the annual audit report on the RERA website. This submission has to be made within 15 days from the end of the quarter. However, this was not being followed by the builders, and in order to make them comply with the rules, Karnataka RERA has decided to impose the delay fees.
Penal charges were applied after the authority observed that there was a consistent delay in submission of updates by promoters.
A delay fee of Rs 10,000 will be imposed for up to 1 month from the due date, and this will subsequently be increased to Rs 20,000 per month post that. And this will be applicable to builders and promoters who haven't submitted their quarterly and yearly updates before December 2019. Karnataka RERA is seeking only updates of the pre-COVID quarters. According to the RERA secretary, about 1,500 developers of over 3,500 registered projects haven't updated their quarterly progress on the RERA website. Consumers are quite happy with Karnataka RERA's move. However, they complain that not even a single quarterly update is available on the website for the public to view.
The RERA in Karnataka is almost completed 36 months. I'm talking about pre-COVID tenure. So by this time there should have been minimum 12 quarterly reports which should have been submitted by the promoters of every registered projects. As on date, there are 3,700 projects which are registered under RERA. It's very sad and unfortunate. The buyers are not able to see any single update available on the website.
They also urge Karnataka RERA to reveal as to what will be their next mode of action after getting the quarterly reports from builders. Delay in project handovers is one of the main complaints on part of the home buyers, and Karnataka RERA's move is aimed at mitigating this issue by early detection.
Do like and share our video. Subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter for more such information related to Bengaluru real estate. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off with camera person Pragat.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.